Today we're gonna make an envelope. First we're gonna make a square. Fold it like this. Then you need to cut this piece off. I'm gonna do it this way, like fold it this way and then backwards. But you can also use scissors if you're more comfortable with that. So now that you've got a folded square, let's continue on. You take this part and fold it into the center of the two lines. You can use a pencil to smooth this down like this. Now unfold this piece. Take this piece and fold it into so this line is like it's one line facing like this. Take this piece and fold it in just like you just did. Make sure that the line that this looks like a straight line. Then fold it like this, and the same on the other side. Now it's the hardest part for me. Watch carefully. Я же нажала